Welcome back to Product Critique, the home of smart shopping decisions. Today, we're featuring what we believe is the best over-door pantry rack you can get your hands on, the Eastherry 9-tier over-the-door organizer. If you're struggling with limited storage in your kitchen, bathroom, or even laundry room, this might just be your new best friend. Let's dive right in. This over-the-door pantry organizer is all about turning unused door space into a high-capacity storage solution. With its 9-tier structure, it offers ample room to store your spices, jars, snacks, or cleaning supplies without adding any bulk to your room. The real beauty is how much you can store vertically. It's ideal for compact homes or anyone looking to declutter countertops and shelves. Customization is where the Eastherry really shines. Each basket can be adjusted to suit your unique storage needs. Whether you're organizing tall bottles, spice jars, or odd-sized containers, the snap-on baskets can be lifted and reattached with ease. It's a tool-free transformation that makes it incredibly versatile. Speaking of versatility, durability is another major highlight. Made from high-quality metal, the rack features a thickened and weighted support rod that resists bending and sagging, even when you pack it full. The frame stands tall at 75.6 inches, giving you space for taller bottles or larger kitchen items. Whether it's heavy cans or bulky toiletries, this organizer holds up to the challenge. Worried about installation? Don't be. It's designed for simple, no-drill setup. Just hook it over the door, and you're basically done. The organizer includes 8 sticky trays too. Just peel the film and stick them wherever you need extra support. It's a truly renter-friendly product with no screws, tools, or frustration required. It's not just for pantries. This over-door rack pulls double and triple duty across your home. You can use it to store cleaning supplies in the laundry room, organize bath essentials, or even stash shoes in a bedroom closet. It's a multi-purpose organizer that adapts to your space and lifestyle. Let's quickly recap some specs. It measures 6 inches deep, 16 inches wide, and a towering 74.8 inches high. It's built from cast iron, comes in a clean white finish, and features fully adjustable baskets for personalized use. The Eastherry 9-tier over-the-door pantry organizer isn't just functional, it's a smart, stylish, and space-saving solution for modern homes. Whether you're in a small apartment or a big family house, this rack offers the organization power you didn't know you were missing. If you're ready to maximize your storage without remodeling your space, check out the Eastherry organizer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews every week, right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.